So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB CRK exam revision series, we have here these 16 JAMB repeated questions to answer on the topic leadership qualities. So guys, this video will be about judges. Let's say Deborah. So let's go ahead and start with the first question here. It says, the two sons of Samuel that became judges in Israel were A. Hophni and Phinehas, B. Abimelech and Abijah, C. Joel and Abimelech, D. Joel and Abijah. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here. That's Joel and Abijah. So that's it for this question. Let's proceed to the next, guys. So we have here question number 2. It says, Deborah reigned as judge in Israel after A. Lapidoth, her husband, B. Ehud, C. Gideon the son of Joash, D. Moses. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here. That's Ehud. So let's go ahead and check out the next question, guys. So we have here question number 3. It says, I will go out as at other times and shake myself free. When Samson made the statement above, he was not aware that A. The Philistines were upon him, B. The Lord had left him, C. His eyes had been called out, D. He was bound with bronze fetter. So guys, the answer to this question here is option B here. The Lord had left him. So that's it for this question. Let's proceed to the next. So we have here question number 4. It says, the last event that boosted Gideon's courage to go against the Midianites was the A. Dream told by Midianites about the belly bread, B. Test God gave Gideon's men at the waterside, C. Sign in which God caused the dew to be on the fleece, D. Appearance of the angel who called him a man of valor. So guys, the answer to this question here is option A here. That's a dream told by the Midianites about the belly bread. So let's head on to the next question, guys. So here is this question number 5. Deborah instructed Barak to gather his troops and engage the forces of Jabin in battle at A. Mount Tabor, B. River Jordan, C. Mount Hebron, D. River Tigris. So guys, the answer to this question is option A here. That's Mount Tabor. That's it for this question. So let's head on to the next question, guys. We have here question number 6. It says, one of the most significant lessons from the emergence of Deborah as a leader is that A. She not only prophesied but also advised Israel. B. One needs to summon courage as a leader to solve problems. C. Honesty and integrity are key to leadership. D. Gender differences isn't a limitation to leadership. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here. That's gender difference is not a limitation to leadership. And that's it for this question. So let's proceed to the next, guys. So we have here question number 7. It says, behold, you are old, and your sons do not walk in your ways. The Israelites made this statement to Samuel because his sons, A. considered themselves above the people, B. took bribes and perverted justice, C. had immoral dealings with women, D. disregarded the advice of Israel's elders? So guys, the answer to this question is option B here. Took bribes and perverted justice. So that's it for this question. Let's proceed to the next question, guys. So we have here question number 8. It says, what was Samson's major achievement as Israel's leader? A. He suppressed the Philistines. B. He secured permanent independence for Israel. C. He saved the Israelites from the Amorites. D. He captured the city of Jericho. So guys, the answer to this question is option A. He suppressed the Philistines. So that's it for this question. Let's proceed to the next question, guys. So the question number 9 here says, what did Gideon do when he had the dream of the Midianites and its interpretation? A. He hid himself. B. He became discouraged. C. He kissed the servants. D. He worshipped the Lord. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here. And that's he worshipped the Lord. So let's proceed to the next, guys. So we have here question number 10. It says, the story of Gideon showcases leadership qualities like humility and reliance on divine guidance during A. the conquest and Canaan, B. the Babylonian exile, C. the period of Judges, D. the reign of David. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here. That's the period of Judges. And that's it for this question. So let's consider the next question, guys. We have here question number 11. It says, after he destroyed his family's altar of Baal, that was called Jerubbaal. We have A. Moses, B. Gideon, C. Abraham, D. Elijah. Guys, the answer to this question here is option B. That's Gideon. So that's it for this question. Let's head on to the next, guys. We have here question number 12, guys. It says, if you will go with me, I will go. But if you will not go with me, I will not go. In the statement above, you refers to A. Jael, B. Balaam, C. Deborah, D. God. Guys, the answer to this question is option C here. That's Deborah. That's it for this question. So let's head on to the next question, guys. So we have here question number 13. It says, the Israelites did evil in the eyes of the God of the days of the judges by A. serving the Baals, B. practicing human sacrifice, C. serving the Philistines, D. marrying the Canaanites. So guys, the answer to this question is option A. That's serving the Baals. That's it for this question. So let's head on to the next question, guys. So guys, the next question we have here is question number 14. It says, Deborah was a judge when Israel was under the yoke of A. Midian, B. Philistine, C. Canaan, and D. Moab. So guys, the answer to this question is option C. That's Canaan. That's it for this question. So let's proceed to the next, guys. Here's question number 15 here. It says, the commander of Jabin's army was A. Ehud, B. Shamgar, C. Barak, D. Sisera. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here. That's Sisera. So that's it for this question. Let's check out the next and last question, guys. So here's question number 16 of 16. It says, among the judges that proceeded after Joshua, which is a left-handed warrior? We have A. Ehud, B. Jephthah, C. Barak, D. Samson. So guys, the answer to this question is option A. That's held. And that's it for this question. So guys, this show will end this video for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question in the comment section below and we'll be sure to give you a response. So finally guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we'll post major updates on JAMB examinations. So you can join this channel community by hitting the join button below and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video and see you on the next one.